What if you could slow down aging, boost testosterone, reduce pain, and feel stronger than you have in years? All by doing just 4 simple exercises each day. No gym memberships, no expensive equipment, just your body, a few minutes, and the decision to take control of your health starting today. If you're a man over 50, this isn't just about fitness. It's about living with strength, energy, and confidence as you age. These 4 exercises are scientifically backed to build muscle, protect your joints, improve balance, and even enhance your hormone levels naturally. Thousands of men are already seeing the difference, and now it's your turn. So hit that like button, subscribe for more life-changing tips, and stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a daily routine that can help you feel 10, 15, even 20 years younger. Now let's get started. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a full-body powerhouse. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. After 50, muscle loss speeds up and testosterone drops. But studies from the American Geriatric Society show that resistance exercises like push-ups increase testosterone naturally and help maintain lean mass. More muscle equals better metabolism, stronger bones, and a reduced risk of falls. Push-ups improve posture, build upper body strength, boost testosterone, and support heart health, giving you a sense of power every man over 50 deserves. How to do it? Start in a straight arm plank. Lower your chest slowly while inhaling. Pause, then exhale as you push back up. Keep your elbows close to your body to protect your shoulders. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. If regular push-ups are too hard, begin with knee push-ups. You'll still get massive benefits. Exercise 2. Squats. Squats are the king of all anti-aging exercises. They activate your biggest muscles, glutes, quads, and hamstrings, triggering a natural release of growth hormone and testosterone. According to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, squats significantly improve lower body strength and bone density, key to preventing fractures and falls in aging men. They also speed up metabolism, strengthen knees, improve balance, and naturally lift your mood and energy. How to do it? Stand shoulder width apart with your chest up. Lower slowly, like you're sitting in a chair while inhaling. Then exhale as you push through your heels to return. Keep your back straight and knees behind your toes. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps daily. Exercise 3. Lunges. Lunges are your secret weapon against poor balance, weak legs, and stiff joints. They train each leg independently, correcting imbalances and strengthening stabilizers that keep you mobile and agile. Harvard Health confirms that lunges improve coordination and reduce your risk of falls. One of the biggest threats for men over 50, they enhance mobility, protect joints, and strengthen your hips and legs for climbing stairs, walking, and staying independent. How to do it? Step forward with one leg, bending both knees to 90 degrees while inhaling. Push back to the starting position and exhale. Alternate legs and use a wall or chair for support if needed. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 lunges per leg. Exercise 4. Glute Bridges. Glute bridges are underrated, but essential for men over 50. They strengthen your glutes, lower back, and core, muscles that control your posture, balance, and spinal health. As you age, weak glutes can lead to back pain, instability, and a sluggish metabolism. Glute bridges fight that by activating dormant muscles and supporting your pelvic region. According to the National Institute on Aging, glute activation exercises significantly reduce back pain and improve overall mobility in older adults. How to do it? Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes as you lift your hips up. Hold for a second, then lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Focus on form. No need for speed, just control and contraction. And here's what makes this even more powerful. These exercises aren't just about movement. They're compound power moves. That means you're activating multiple muscle groups, boosting testosterone naturally, burning fat, building real strength, and even improving your heart health, all at the same time. When done consistently, they become more than a daily workout. They become your personal formula for reversing the signs of aging and reclaiming your energy, mobility, and confidence. Start today and give it just 30 days. You'll be amazed at how much stronger, more energized, and more alive you feel. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments. Which of these 4 are already part of your routine, and which one are you adding starting today? And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with another man over 50 who's ready to take charge of his health. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.